trying again. Well, not that anybody knows, but this is my third attempt at making this video. All right, so find the mean. To find the mean, you add all those numbers. So put that in your calculator, and you get 298. And we're going to divide that by however many numbers we added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we get 42.57. That's your average. 2, what number would you divide to calculate the mean of 3, 4, 5, and 6? So if you were to find the mean, you would do 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, and you would divide by what? By however many numbers you just added, which in this case is 4. What measures central tendency is calculated by adding all the values and dividing the sum by the number of values. That would be the mean. So measures of central tendency, remember it's the mean, the median, and the mode, right? So out of the 3 measures of central tendency, which one do you add up and divide? That would be the mean. 4. The mean of all numbers is 71.5. So let's sort of do this in the long way. And if 3 of the numbers are 58, 76, and 88, what is the 4th number? So let's say your average was 71.5, right? And you took 4 tests. What's the score of the 4 tests? That's one way of thinking. So you can do this in this manner. 58 plus 76 plus 88. You had 4 tests, but you don't know the last test, so let's call it x. And if you divide that by 4, you got your average of 71. We can simplify things, right? So let's combine 58 plus 76 plus 88, and you get 222. So we get, let me write it over here, 222 plus x over 4 equals 71.5. Now, what we can do here is cross multiply now, right? So we can put this over 1. If we cross multiply, 222 plus x times 1, right? We multiply these two. Discrete property, we get 222 plus x. On the other side, 4 times 71.5 gives me 286. So now you can easily guess what that last score was. So 222 plus what number is 286? Well, let's subtract 222 from each side. And x equals, what is that, 64. So that last grade you got was 64. Find the mean of all these numbers. Well, 40 plus 61 plus 95 plus 79 plus 9 plus 50 plus 80 plus 63 plus 109 plus 42. Enter 628. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did I do something wrong? I got 628. I don't remember getting that. So we have 10, so it would be 62.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me just add the numbers because that doesn't sound familiar. 40 plus 61 plus what? 95 plus 79 plus 9 plus 50 plus 80 plus 63 plus 109 plus 42. Enter. Yeah, 6.8. So the answer is 62.8. Question 6 is the same as question 4. Right? So in this case, they're telling you that the average weight was 167.2. You had 3 other weights, 158.4 plus 162.8 plus 165. Sorry, it's 5 weights plus 178.2, and then plus x. So you had 5 weights, and you divided that by 5, and you got 167.2. Now, we can go ahead and cross multiply right here. Right, so if I cross multiply, I'm going to cross multiply these two. 5 times 167.2 gives me 836. So now can you find the missing number? So you had x plus all these 4 numbers equal to 832. Well, let's combine the terms here. 158.4 plus 162.8 plus 165 plus 178.2. Enter. If you add all these 4 numbers, you get, we have x plus 664.4. So what's that missing number? Obviously subtract minus 664.4 both sides, and x, our missing weight, is 832 minus 664.4. We get 167.6. The mean width of 12 iPads is 5.1 inches. The mean, the mean width of 8 Kindles is 4.8. Of 8 Kindles, 4.8. What is the total width of the iPads? Well, if you think about it, you have 12 iPads, right? You divide it by 12 and you got 5.1 inches, right? So you added 12 numbers here. What is the total width of the iPads? Well, let me do it this way. Yeah, 12 numbers. I'm going to call that. So we know that we added 12 numbers here. What can I write? Well, we don't know their width, but let's call them A plus B plus C plus D plus E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I add all these iPads, right, if you take a ruler and measure the width of all the iPads, you get that the average is 5.1. So if you want to find the total width, all you have to do is multiply these two, right? So think about it. You put this over 1, cross multiply, and then you get that all these iPads, so all 12 iPads, and instead of me writing all the letters, all the 12 iPads, if you add all the width equals to 12 times 5.1, which is 61.2. For the Kindles, it's the same thing. So again, think about it. A plus B plus C plus D must be E, F, G, and H. So we have 8 Kindles, sorry. Divide that by 8. And it says here that the mean was 4.8. So that's what you have right now. So they're asking you what if you take these, what do they measure? What is A plus B plus C plus D? All the 8 Kindles added up together. Well, again, cross multiply. 8 times 4.8, we get that the total is, in this case, 38.4. Okay. What is the mean width of the 12 iPads and 8 Kindles? Well, you can add these two numbers, right? So you get all the iPads here, 61.2, plus all the Kindles, which was 38.4. And we're going to divide that by however many iPads and Kindles we have. We have 12 iPads and 8 Kindles. We're going to divide that by 20. So 61.2 plus 38.4 equals 99.6. And we're going to divide that by 20. And that equals 4.98 inches. So that's the mean width of all the iPads and Kindles together. All right, the following data represents the number of pop-up ads received by 10 families during the past month. Does that still exist, pop-up ad? Calculate the mean number of advertisements received by each family during the month. All right, so the mean, again, we have 10 families, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, we're going to add all those numbers and divide by 10. And we get the mean. 43 plus 37 plus 35 plus 30 plus 41 plus 23 plus 33 plus 31 plus 16 plus 21. Enter 310. Divided by 10. So, in average, the families received about 31 pop-up ads. Wow, they used to be so annoying. Again, yeah, very repetitive, and I apologize. It's just, again, reinforcing mean, median, and mode here. Shift. So 90 plus 50 plus 70 plus 80 plus 70 plus 60 plus 20 plus 30 plus 80 plus 90 plus 20. Enter. We get 670. And we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 apparently. And we get 60.91 rounded to near cents. Okay. So that's mean, right? So you get an idea. Median. Well, median, you have to put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Right? So when we do box plots, you'll definitely be using the median a lot. So 10, 25, and then it's 38, and then 39 twice, 42, 71, 76. Numbers in order from least to greatest, and then we find a number in the middle. Cross one from each side and walk towards the middle. We have two numbers in the middle. Add them up, divide by 2, so 39 plus 39 is 78 divided by 2, and our middle number is this 39. Okay, so the median equals 30. Okay. The front row in the movie theater has 23 seats. If you were asked to sit in the seat that occupied the median position, in which seat would you have to sit? So, again, imagine 23 seats numbered. Seat 1, seat 2, seat 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Which seat is the middle seat? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have the 11, we have 13, and here is your middle. The median here is 12. What is the median score achieved by a student who recorded the following score in 10th math quizzes? Okay, wow. Good scores. 55, 58, 62, 63, 68, 70, 71, 79, 81, and 82. Median score, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The median is the number between 68 and 70, which in this case happens to be 69. Right. What time is it? I'm getting hungry. So this one, there was a correction that I asked you to do. Right, so this, let's make this a 36. A set of four numbers that begin with 32 is arranged from smallest to largest. If the median is 35, which could possibly could be the set of numbers? Well, the median, the number in the middle should be 35, right? So let's look at A. If you go 1 and you start walking to the middle, the median, the number in the middle would be the number between 32 and 36, but that's definitely not 35, so A is gone. B again, walk towards the middle. And then the number in the middle would be between 35 and 38. And the number between in the middle between those two numbers, definitely not 35, so that's gone. C, we have 32, 34, 36, and 36. So go to the middle, this, and then the middle number would be the number between 34 and 36, which happens to be our lucky winner, 35. So C is the correct answer. 15, the number of service upgrades sold by each of the 30 employees is as follows. Oh my God, what is the median number of service upgrades sold by 30 employees? So you have 30 employees, and notice that there are some employees who sell a lot, right? Some employees who sell less. So in this case, I mean, look, the smallest number is a 6, and the highest number here looks like a 39. You definitely have outliers there. Okay, so the median number, the median is the measure central tendency that you want to use. Oh, I have to put this in order. All right, 6, 8. Right, so 6, there's 30 numbers. Sorry, 6, 8. Let's look at the teens. So we have 10. And there's another 10. There's 11. There's a 12. There's another 12 down here. And then looks like it's 15, and then 16 twice. There's 17, yes, there's a 17 here. There's an 18. There's a 20. There's a 21. There's a 23. There's two 24s. Is there a two 24s? Two 24s. I know, I see it. Three 24s, I'm sorry. Two 24s, a 29 over here. A 30. A 31. A 32 twice. 32 twice. 35, 36 over here, 39, geez, and a 40, and then I have to add an extra 18 here. So I'm going to put an 18 over here. There. 30 employees, so number in the middle, because it's even, obviously you can have two numbers. So let's count 15 on each side, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let me count from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did I miss a number? Yes, I did. I missed 21. There's an extra 21 here. I missed two numbers, actually. 21. And I missed a 32. 32 over here. So I'm going to add a 32 here. And I count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that looks like 15 right there. Let's say make sure we have 15 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There. So we have 15. We have two numbers in the middle, which is 21. Add them up, divide by 2, and obviously the median is 21. Okay. Which of the following measures can be determined by quantitative data, right? The ones that we use numbers. Well, mean and median. Mode. Yes. Which of the following measures can be calculated with qualitative data? Well, definitely not the mean, definitely not the median, because those deal with numbers. The only one that could be qualitative numbers, right? Qualitative data is the mode. What's the term to describe the distribution of a data with one mode? Well, that would be uni, right? Unit. Think of the word unit. One. Unimodal. What is the mode for the following numbers? Well, let's see. Let me put them in order again. 8, 9, and then 11 twice. I forgot the 10. So 8, 9, 10, 11 twice. 12, 13, and 14. So which is the mode? The mode is 11 because it shows up twice. It's more than any other number. Which of the following measures can have more than one value set of data? Well, it has to be in the mode, right? You can have 2, 3, 4 modes, right? The median is just one. The median is just one. What are the modes of the following set of numbers? Ugh. Okay, so for A, let's talk about A. Find the mode here. The mode for A, I apologize, is 3, 13, 6, 8, 10. So for A is no mode. Right, because none of the numbers show up. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. Unimodal, or one mode, which is 6. The 6 shows up twice. Here. For B, let's see, the 12 shows up once, the 0 once, the 15 shows up twice, the 13 shows up twice, so that we have 15, 15. We have 13 that shows up twice, and the 16 that shows up 3 times. So again, unimodal, and the mode is 16. Okay. A student recorded her scores on the weekly math quizzes that were marked out of a possible time of 10. God, they couldn't give us the numbers in order. Her scores were as follows. What is the mode of her score? Oh, this is the mode. Okay. So the mode, that's easier. Jeez. 5 shows up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 showed up 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use tally marks. The 6 showed up once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 showed up 6 times. The 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 7 showed up 6 times. The 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 8 showed up 4 times. And the 9 showed up once, twice, 3, 4. And the 9 showed up 4 times as well. So the mode in this particular data set's the 5, 6, and 7. Okay. And then what is the mode again? What is the mode of the following numbers, and what word can be used to describe the distribution? Okay, so lowest number 3. So that came out 1, 2, came out twice. The 4 came out once, twice, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The 5 showed up once, 2 times, 3 times. The 6, is there 6? Yeah, it showed up once. The 7 showed up once, twice. No 8s. The 9 showed up once. The 10 showed up once, and the 11 showed up once. So we have, it's bimodal, so the mode is 4 and 5, which, what's the word that we use for that? Bimodal. Okay? Alright, and again, just spent a day, just make sure you familiarize yourself with mean, median, and mode, because we'll be going to be using the mean for MADS and the median for your box plots. Okay? Is that it?